Good evening, everybody. Wanted to show you how things look and sound here later in the evening in the little food forest, half-acre food forest in the middle of the city. We just put the chickens to bed. Well, they put themselves to bed anyways. You can hear the babies are still chirping. Hey, Lucy's. You guys gotta go to bed. You gotta sleep. The mama birds, or at least the older ones, I don't think they're related, are already, it's hard to see, so if I back up a little bit, I'm a little excited. Let me snatch these eggs. We don't want them to start wanting to roost. That's a little bit, it's toward the end of summer. We don't exactly want them to stop laying yet. Still plenty of daylight hours for them to keep laying. But I just wanted to show this because it's really quite beautiful here. It's a lot darker than in the video, so I'm pretty impressed by how well this is lighting up the view here. A little bit of traffic noise coming from behind that mulberry. Other than that, all is pretty quiet here. Hope everybody enjoys the last part of this summer. And we will see you next time. What you staring at me for? Go to bed. Alright, bye-bye.